I'm Jamie Orenstein. I'm a mediator, arbitrator, special master, and neutral case evaluator at JAMS. I was a federal prosecutor for a bunch of years and also an official at the Justice Department. I was in private practice as a partner at a law firm, and I spent 16 years on the bench as a United States magistrate judge. I think my mediation style is to listen carefully to the people who come here with their problems, whether it's an individual or business, so that I really understand what the dispute means to them, and then listen carefully to their answers so that I can get a sense not only of what the problem is, but how I can best help to solve it. When I'm preparing for a mediation, of course I talk to the parties, but I also want them to give me a mediation statement in writing, and I'm careful never to tell them how long or short it should be, because I want them to feel free to tell me what I need to know about the case. In preparing for an arbitration, I don't start the first conference until I have a good grasp of the pleadings, the arbitration agreement that got us there, anything I can glean from the record. Before I have that first call in a preliminary conference with counsel, I want to make sure that they know that I am just as prepared for this arbitration as they are. I think for an arbitration to be successful, you not only have to be prepared and understand the legal issues and give an explanation of your rulings, but you have to let the parties know that they've had a fair process. And that means when you give a ruling that's going to disappoint one side or the other, make sure that they feel they've had a chance to be heard and that you give them an explanation for why you're ruling against them. I think the scope of my experience before coming to JAMS really lends itself to doing neutral evaluation work. As a judge, I've had countless cases that I've seen proceed from the very beginning to the final resolution that gives me a real appreciation for the strengths and weaknesses of a case, so that when a new case comes in, I can get a sense of where that case is likely to succeed and where it's going to be really challenging. I've been lucky in my life to have a really wide range of experiences. I've been a prosecutor, I've been an official at the Justice Department, I've been a civil litigator, I've been a judge. I'm used to looking at problems in a lot of different ways, and I always find, no matter what kind of case it is, that I have some experience that I draw on that gives me a sense not only about the issues in the case, but how the lawyers are probably thinking about it, so that I have an appreciation for how they think the case can be resolved.